Good morning, children. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about the mineral and power resources. Previous class, we have discussed almost all the points we have covered, starting from mineral, types of minerals, distribution of minerals, and power resources. Under the power resources, how this power is useful, and the broadly classified the power resources into two ways, that is conventional source of energy and unconventional source of energy, with examples all we have discussed. Right now in this class I will dictate you the exercises, the question and answers. Please take down, my dear children. Please take down all the exercises and try to attempt the answers. Clear? Here, the exercise is answer the following questions. Look here. Number 1, to answer the following questions. Here, name any three common minerals. Name any three common minerals used by you. Name any three common minerals used by you every day. Children, please write down. Name any three minerals. Name any three common minerals. Common minerals used by you every day. Name any three common minerals used by you every day. Children, completed? Name any three common minerals used by every day. Clear? Next, second one. What is an ore? What is an ore? What is an ore? Ore is nothing but as rocks from which minerals are mined. Clear? Ore is nothing but as rocks from which minerals are mined is called ore. Clear? Yeah. Question is, what is an ore? Question mark. Where are the ores of metallic? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? That is question number 2. What is an ore? Question mark. Where are the ores? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? Number 3. Name 2 reasons. Name 2 regions, I mean to say places, regions rich in natural gas resources. Name 2 regions rich in natural gas resources. That means name 2 any important places where you can find the natural gas resources. Right? Name 2 any regions where you can find natural gas resources. Clear? That is number 3. Name any 2 regions rich in natural gas resources. Natural gas resources. Next 4. Which sources of energy? Which source of energy? Which sources of energy would you suggest for? Would you suggest for? Your options given. There are given 3 options. Select one. Which sources of energy? Here you can see. Which source of energy would you suggest for? A. Rural areas. A is rural areas and B coastal areas. B coastal areas and C arid regions. Third one is arid regions, that is desert regions. Clear? So which source of energy would like to suggest for? So normally the right answer is which source of energy would like to suggest for? Rural, coastal and arid. Clear? Next. 5th one. Give 5 ways. Give 5 ways in which you can see. Give 5 ways in which you can save. Give 5 ways in which you can save the energy at home. Energy at home. How you are going to save the energy in your own house? You have 5 statements. Clear? These are the 5 questions. Okay. Now come to the next. Second one is here. Few more questions. Distinguish between the following. Distinguish between the following. Distinguish between the following. Right, children? Yes. Number 1. The differences between conventional source of energy and non-conventional source of energy. Distinguish between conventional and non-conventional source of energy. Conventional and non-conventional source of energy. Distinguish between conventional source of energy and non-conventional source of energy. Next, differences between biogas and natural gas. Differences between biogas and natural gas. Differences between biogas and natural gas. Natural gas. Written, children? And come to the next one. Differences between ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. 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 Ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Differentiate between ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Okay. Next one. The last question is. The last question is the difference between metallic and write down, children. Those who are sitting at the back, please make a note. The difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. The difference between metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic and non-metallic minerals. So these exercises, you are given 5 questions and here 4 differences between. Please try to attempt, write down the answers. Please try to write the answers in your homework books so that we can prepare for the any test. Clear? Next, if you multiple choice, write down. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Which one of the following? Tick the correct answers. Number 1. Which one of the following? Which one of the following is not a Which one of the following is not a producer of mica? Producer of mica. Which one of the following is not a producer of mica? They are given 4 different states. Among those, one state is not producing. It is not leading producer of mica in the country. Which is that state? Here options as given. Children, here 4 options given. Not correct one. They ask which are one of the following is not a producer. Not a producer. Clear, please. Not a producer of mica is A. Jharkhand. A is Jharkhand. B Karnataka. And C Rajasthan, and D, Andhra Pradesh. So which one of the following state is not a leading producer of mica? Clear? So here Jharkhand also producing, Rajasthan also producing, AP also producing. So which is it? So right one answer is here Karnataka is. Karnataka is not a leading producer of mica in the country. Right? The next one. Second one. Which one of the following? Which one of the following is a leading producer of? Which one of the following is a Which one of the following is a leading producer of copper in the world? Which one of the following is a leading producer? Is a leading producer of copper in the world? Leading producer of copper in the world. Here options given. Various countries across the globe. A. Bolivia. B. Ghana. B. Ghana. A. Bolivia. C. Chile. And D. Zimbabwe. And D is Zimbabwe. So here the previous question is which is not a leading producer. But whereas here this question here children directly asking which is the leading producer of copper in the world. Copper in the world. Yeah. Number one is Bolivia. B. Ghana. C. Chile. And D. Zimbabwe. So here the right answer is Chile. Santiago. Santiago is the capital of Chile. It's from South America. Chile, Santiago. So Chile is the leading producer of copper in the world. So that was the right answer. Chile is the leading producer of copper in the world. So this country belongs to South America. So children, Chile is the leading producer of copper in the world. Clear? So these are the multiple choice. So all these questions please try to write the homework book. What I have given here, all the 5 questions, and the second one is here. I given the differences between biogas, natural gas, conventional source of energy, non-conventional source of energy, ferrous minerals, non-ferrous minerals, metallic minerals, and non-metallic minerals. This already we have discussed. I hope you understood. Any doubt? Children, don't worry. If at all any doubt, you are most welcome. I will revise once again. Okay? Please try to write down in the homework books. Okay? Thank you.